Welcome everybody on another episode today. This OFI stock is going to happen since we can say that this is OFI movements that is absolutely going on. So if we say that this is the slope line that was going since it started on 25 October 2022, if we return it back, we can see also that there was a resistance on this line and it reaches the maximum resistance here. So that is going to be a thing that is making a relationship between a resistance and a support on another side. So that means that is what could I explain on about the SOFI, that it would help it to increase or reaching another resistance, for example here, and then decrease.